Quick layover here in San Diego. We're gonna go grab some lunch in Little Italy and have a good time. Well, we're here in San Diego and we're in Little Italy. We're gonna do a quick Little Italy food and drink crawl because we got a layover. We got 5 hours to kill. And the nice part about San Diego is the airport's right downtown. So you can literally be over in Little Italy in like 10 minutes the second you step off the plane. So the first spot we wanted to come to is a fellow YouTuber who started his own restaurants. That's Sam the Cooking Guy. You might recognize that little logo right there. He's got 2 spots in the food hall here in Little Italy. He's got Samburger. We picked up one of his burgers. He's also got Not Tacos, which is quickly becoming a destination in San Diego for tacos. So we're very hungry. We haven't eaten. We flew across the country and we want to dive in. We're gonna go on the tacos first. We got 4 different tacos here. The meatloaf taco. This is the Korean short rib. It's got sauce on there, green onion. Looks absolutely beautiful. We also, and this is gonna be Madalyn's favorite taco, I can just tell you that right now, is a pork and mac and cheese taco. Look at that. That looks absolutely incredible. I'm gonna steal a bite real quick. Oh my God. Madalyn, I feel bad that I didn't let Madalyn take the first bite there.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. This is a pastrami taco. So you got loaded up with pastrami there, crispy onions, pickles on top.
I'm gonna try the pastrami because that sounds good and a little bit weird for a taco. Well, that's very good. It's like, kind of like, I don't know, like a Reuben sandwich on a taco. And that's kind of the whole thing. It's not tacos. So they're all kind of a cool little spin on a regular taco.
The one I really wanted to try, and we like to watch Sam the Cooking Guy. He's really funny, and he takes a lot of bold flavors and combines them. And this is the meatloaf taco, and it looks delicious. I love meatloaf. I love tacos. It's not a taco. Oh man, that's good. The fun part about this place is that we're eating like 4 different cuisines for lunch. Also, these are a little bit different taco tortillas. I don't know what these tortillas are. They're fluffy. Every bite so far has been terrific.
Yeah, Adam's right. These are kind of different tortillas. Not sure what they're made out of. They're really thin and like really soft. There is so much flavor packed into every single one of these tacos. Ooh, this one's got a little heat. Took a minute, and it just hit me. It's really good.
Last but not least, we're diving into Sam's Burger. This is a Western burger. It's got onion strings, bacon. We just got a single because, we got the tacos too. So here we go. That's a good burger. I have to say, to Sam, this is the first time I've ever come to California. And the first burger I'm eating is not an In-N-Out burger. That's an achievement. We thoroughly enjoyed stopping in to see what Sam the Cooking Guy was cooking up, and he's done a great job with his restaurants here in Little Italy. And next time we're back in San Diego, we'll be back. We're gonna go find our next spot here in sunny San Diego. Our next stop in Little Italy is Bolt Brewery. We're here at Bolt Brewery, and the owner of Bolt Brewery was the first person to do craft beer in San Diego. And then he went and traveled the world, and the craft beer scene blew up, and he came back and was like, I'm gonna start my Bolt Brewery again. Now, I think the name Bolt is a reference to the San Diego Chargers. Sorry, San Diego, they're up the road a little bit now. But I always kind of preferred them being the San Diego Chargers, so hopefully that earns me some brownie points in this town. We got a flight of beers, and here they do their own beers, and they also do guest beers. So we got 3 of their owns, plus another local beer, and we were kind of feeling fruity, so we decided to get a mango beer, a lemon beer, and an orange beer, and then the guest beer. So we're gonna see which one of their fruit beers is best.
So, big surprise, it is a beautiful day here in San Diego. I'm a little sad that we're only here for the afternoon, but I am glad that we're spending this afternoon here in Little Italy. We're here on the patio at Bolt Brewery, which is really nice. It's dog friendly. We do not have our buddy Howie with us today, but maybe he'll make it to California sometime with us. But inside is really nice too, and it's a little warm. It's about 80 degrees, so that's why we decided to go with the citrus beers today.
The mango ale from Bolt Brewing. Okay, you pick up the mango there, but it's not hitting you over the head. It's it's a hint of mango. A hint of mango. That would have been a good movie title for that Saturday Night Live character. This is the lemon ale.
I bet that's good.
Ooh. That's got more lemon than that one has mango. It's very refreshing. Also, San Diego, obviously amazing weather. So going with the lighter beers and the menus kind of reflect that. If you're in the Midwest, you go to a craft brewery, you got a lot of heavy beers. Here, you got a lot of light beers because it's probably what sells.
There was no Oktoberfest on this menu that I saw.
Yeah, not a lot of people drinking dark Oktoberfest beers here in San Diego. Here's the third one. It's an orange beer. I'm guessing it tastes similar to a Blue Moon. Actually, it's got a lot of orange flavor in it. It tastes like a beer that's been infused with orange juice, and it's quite refreshing. It's a morning beer to have with your eggs and bacon.
On the line.
Final beer is El Chango. It's an El Chango lager. It's not their beer, but they do guest beers, and that's a very good beer. So cheers. Well, fun stop in at Bolt Brewery. The folks who work here are really nice. I enjoyed talking to them, and good beers. If you're in Little Italy, great spot to stop off and have a few beers. Nice little outdoor setting, and we're gonna keep rolling here. I think there's another brewery around, so we're gonna go find it.
So our next stop is Ballast Brewery, and they're one of the first breweries here in San Diego that really hit the craft beer scene and just blew up. They're actually celebrating their 25th anniversary right now, so Adam got their signature flight that has their beers that are celebrating the past, the present, and the future of Ballast Point.
This is their signature flight. It's $10, and you get four 4-ounce pours. These are not 4 ounce. This is a very generous 4 ounces. So cheers to Ballast Point. This is their Kolsch. This is 1996. That's the year they opened. It's one of their first beers. That's very refreshing. I like that beer a lot.
I like the glassware.
Very nice glass. This is one of their newer beers. It's called Big Gus 2021. So that's an IPA. It's actually a very light IPA. IPAs are usually very hoppy, and this one is not too bad. I'm not the biggest IPA fan, but I do like this one. It's very crisp. Sounds crazy. This almost has a flavor a little bit like a white wine. I maybe have to let Madeline have a sip and see if she agrees. But there's like it's like a cross between a beer and a white wine. It's kind of weird. Could be the glass fooling me.
Okay, Adam says that this IPA tastes like white wine. I don't know if it's the glass or just the warm weather talking. Let's find out. I kind of get what you're saying. It's not exactly fruity, but like maybe like a dry white wine with a little bit of bite to it. I get what you're saying. It tastes like beer, but I understand the point that you're making.
I cannot believe how big these glasses are. It said 4 ounces. I'm not joking. This is not 4 ounces. So Sculpin, this is an IPA. This is from the mid-2000s. It's a little darker, so I'm guessing this will be my least favorite of the flight. Yeah, it is. This is the type of IPA I'm not the biggest fan of. It's very hoppy, and I don't want to insult the IPA fans out there. I will drink it. I don't mind it, but this is not my type of beer. Well, that's not to say it's a bad beer. It's just not what I like. This, though, is what I like. It's an amber beer called the Calico. That is very good. Absolutely love amber beers. Wish every craft beer spot in the country would do an amber beer. I don't really know how to wax poetic about amber beers, but I enjoy this one. Well, there's a reason Ballast Point's been around San Diego for a long time, and it's a great spot here in Little Italy. We've enjoyed the signature flight, and we're looking forward to stopping in next time we're in town. We're gonna finish here in Little Italy with a sweet treat. Nothing says, let's get a sweet treat, like having 2 flights of beers. Well, we're still in Little Italy here in San Diego, and we're at a homemade, handcrafted popsicle spot called Holy Paleta, and this is like the most delicious looking treat I think I've ever seen. This is a s'mores popsicle. That's a chocolate popsicle, toasted marshmallow. They actually toasted the marshmallow in front of us. Graham crackers, top with more chocolate. I didn't think I'd be having a campfire celebration here in the middle of San Diego, but let's find out. Oh, that's decadent. What's crazy is the marshmallows are warm, the popsicle is cold. You should really pick up on the toastiness. That's a fun and tasty dessert. I feel like a little kid.
I went in the complete opposite direction and I got pineapple basil. I didn't get any crazy toppings. I just wanted the pure popsicle. That was really, really good. It is sweet and it is so refreshing after our day hanging out outside here in San Diego. That's really good. Basil is it's just kicking the pineapple up a notch. I do feel like a kid. Eating a popsicle just brings back childhood memories. These are huge popsicles. I'm working my way through.
All right, time to head back to the airport. Well, we had a great time on our little layover food crawl here in Little Italy, San Diego. Can't wait to get back to San Diego. It's one of our absolute favorite cities in the United States, and we know they got plenty of tasty treats for us when we get back.